Hi everyone, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a box opening which I hope is going to give this guy a body. As you can see, he does have a body, but I cannot get it to fit in there. The only way this is going to actually fit in there, it fits, but it won't stay. Okay, it won't snap in there like a regular body does. The only way I could do that is if I were to carve like notches on either side of the neck area, and I'm just not up for that. So he's been sitting in my curio. He's been sitting here in my curio like this, basically. So, and leaning up against, the back of the curio, so he looks like he's okay, but actually he is decapitated. So, I was watching a Dolly video the other day by somebody I just started following. I don't know how I missed her. She is J Dolls UK, and she talked about the Creatable World dolls and how she was able to use one of the bodies in this for a Blythe doll. And she commented that the thing was that this particular body doesn't have any breasts, because it's supposed to be a kind of generic body. And I was like, ding, oh my god, that could be the doll body I need for my doll. Okay, so let's get to opening this, because I'm very curious. I remember when these came out, and I was so close to buying one. And then, I don't know if it's still going to be on sale, but I picked this up. What is it? There's some sort of... I picked this up off of Amazon for $10. And it includes, there's some kind of cardboard thing in there. Let me hold on to this. It includes the doll and some clothes. Voila. And supposedly these clothes fit Blythe dolls too. So, so they have this little cardboard insertion in the box, I guess, to give you ideas if you want to change the doll to boys and girls and all that good stuff. So, yeah, but I want this. This is kind of cute, but I got him for the body, so let me pop him out here, and we will take a look. Oh, he's jointed too. He just popped it. He just set in there. Okay, he's not tied in or anything. Interesting. Okay. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a pull-up body, the way everything is jointed. Okay, hard plastic. Yes, no tatas. And let's see how hard it is to get his head off. All right, can I just pop his head off? It looks like there's something. Oh, he's tied in there somehow. Oh, that's going to take some muscle, or I'm going to have to find some way to get that unhooked. It's just not going to pop off. All right. Well, shoot. I thought I could just pop him off. But let me see how he would look. Let's just hold him up here. Yeah, I think proportionally, obviously, Blythe has a big honking head. But proportionally, this would probably work. In fact, if we take the bodies and put them together, the body would... Yeah, so, because this is a male Leica body. And the person who sent it to me, she gave me a really good deal on it. And she warned me that there was problems with the neck fitting. And she was right. And see, let's see. Put your feet flat. Oh, so about the same. This one's a little shorter, I think, than the... Straighten them all up. Stand up straight, dude. I'll hold you back to back. Oh man, I think he's actually... They're about exactly the same size, I think. Awesome. Alright, so let's take a look at everything else in here. I'll do a second video, I guess, where I figure out how to rip his head off. I don't want to damage the neck. That's why I just don't manhandle it here. Plus, I have hand issues. I like his head though. It's kind of, so you can tip his head. That's kind of cool. I mean, I do actually like this little doll. I might have to get another one and just not rip his head off, but We'll see. So what else we have? Cute little striped t-shirt. A little camo jacket. Oh, does this... Oh, and the zipper works. Holy cow. That is super cute. Little sunglasses. Leave those in there. A little... Oh, a backpack. This is nice. It's made out of like some denim type, light denim material. Fabric. Okay, we've got some jean shorts. I like how you can just pop this stuff off and it's not all tied in there. That always drives me crazy. So, of course, it's all got Velcro, but little working pockets. You could probably get a little hand in there. Cute. A skirt. That's a cute skirt. That's neat. I could actually maybe use that as a template and make some skirts. Pretty easily. Oh, these are cute boots. I wonder if these would fit a Leica body here. Let's see. Yep, they fit on a Leica body. That's pretty neato. We've got some, I guess these are supposed to be like sweatpants maybe. So if I can get this body to work, then my boy doll has some actually cute outfits. Oh, this is very nice. I'm sure that's just Velcro, but goodness, look how cute that is. That little shirt is adorable. And of course, the hat, that's not going to fit on a Blythe. Obviously. Way too small. And these are cute shoes. Let's see. Ooh, wowie. Rainbow platforms. Let's see. Yeah, fit on the... Now, so the Leica foot's fatter than a stock doll. I don't have a stock doll here. I have a fakie though. Hold on. Let me see. I wonder if these would fit on this girl here. Because they have larger feet. Oh, yeah, it's fitting. Holy cow, how cute are those? I'm putting these on her right now. Actually, kind of doesn't look too bad with her outfit. Hopefully I can get those off without ripping her feet off, but... Oh my gosh, those are cute. Holy cow. How neat is that? Okay. Now I looked to see they had other types of dolls, other types of these packages together. They had a dark skinned doll. Obviously my head is light skinned, so I wanted to match as best I could. It matches pretty well. But they did have a dark skinned doll. And then they had different outfits that you could get. You could buy the doll separately and the outfit separately. And they had quite a few outfit packets that were pretty interesting looking. I didn't think they were super... I mean, this was $10. It was like $10, no shipping, Amazon, no brainer. I just got it, right? So the other ones, I think if I remember correctly, they ranged in the $25-ish range. So that kind of made me kind of think about that a little bit. Oh, these look like little van shoes. Oh my God. Shoot. I might have to get one of those packets. This is cute. I really like how it's fashionable and they're well made. Yeah. So that, you guys, is the Creatable World doll. I will do a follow-up and let you know how I managed to get this guy's head off. And hopefully get it connected to my Blythe head so I can have a Blythe boy. I've been wanting a Blythe boy forever, and you know, I just had so many stock dolls that I was like, and I had this stock doll this was a girl doll, but I changed out the scalp, and I may even cut this hair. I don't know. I do really like the hair, but I may shorten it to give him more of a guy look. A little bit macho. Not really macho. I mean, it's kind of hard to make a face look like that look macho, but you know what I mean. Make him a little bit more masculine looking. But yeah, I want to have a body for this head. So we'll see how that works. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, you guys, thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that good things. And thank you for stopping by. Have a wonderful day. Okay, I'm back. I managed to rip his head off. It took a little bit of muscle, and this is what was keeping me from getting it off easily, is this doohickey, which I'm going to just leave it in there. I think it's going to fit. I've gone ahead and popped open his head. I had this goopy, like, this is stuff you put it, it's like a putty, and I had it in there trying to, in a way, so that I could keep the other neck in there, and it really didn't work. So, there's still a little bit in there. I'm going to leave it, I think. But I've got his head pried open. I actually hadn't even put his screws back in because I knew that that head wasn't going to work. But it looks pretty promising, folks. So, just got to snap it. As I say this, haha, just snap it back on there. You just see, I think it's going to work, and he's going to be able to tilt his head a little bit, which I like. Now, you can see there is a discoloration. This body's darker than his head, but I'll deal with that. That's fine. I can handle it. And I'm just going to snap it, haha, back into place here. Okay, again, I have arthritis in my hands, so cut me slack, folks. That's one reason I don't do stuff like this too much anymore. Alright, so I'm going to find the screws that I had. It looks like, yeah, I mean, it's kind of wobbly, but I think once I screw it in there, it's not going to actually fall out. Oh, there we go. I heard a snap. Heard a snap. Ooh. Is your head going to fall off? Oh, no, it's not going to fall off. He's got a head and a body. Hot diggity dog. And his head kind of tilts, and I think I'm going to keep that. I know if I put some rubber bands around there, then around his neck area, which I could do, then that you wouldn't get that tilting effect, but I kind of like it, so I'm going to leave it. Oh, yes, snap that baby in there. Way to go. Old lady hands. Still got it. Okay. Holy cow. Now I got to figure out what to name this guy now that he's like for reals a little boy. Oh my goodness. Makes such a difference when he has a body like this. Wow. Okay. In fact, maybe I'll do a dress-up video and we'll pick some cool clothes for him. But yeah. How neat is that? Let me know what you think. Yep, head's not going to come off. It's kind of wobbly, but I think he's going to be all right. Give me some name ideas for this dude. Yeah, loving this. Oh, this body's actually pretty damn cool. I think I'm going to get some more of these. I like these little dollies. Yeah, cool beans. Huh. All right, neato petito. All right, so now I'm really going. Thanks for hanging out with me.